There's hidden gems in this painting. I wasn't expecting that, but this was different to normal, and I have a theory. We'll come back to that later. For now, my name's Deb, and welcome to Kiwi Pearls. Let's paint. My paints were mixed up thicker than normal. I used Liquitex bronze and carbon black in my pearl base coat, but it was really only a 20% enamel and 80% pouring medium mix, so I didn't want a lot of reaction. Didn't want big pearls, I only wanted little pearls, if I got any pearls at all. Then I used a pour over of pewter and carbon black, and I spread that out. Then I put bright gold and copper over top and tipped that out really thin. So you'll see by the way that I put the pour over colours on, I just kind of dumped them on. So we'll come back to this theory of mine later at the end, and I'll explain what I think actually happened. Happy painting, enjoy. I'll put some music on. I'll see you at the end. that cool? Hidden gems in my painting. I was so surprised. It's very cool. So my theory is, and the reason it's a theory is because I haven't had a chance to test it again myself. But if you do have a go at this, please let me know your results. I will test it out myself at some stage, but I'm always getting sidetracked. Anyway, the copper that I used was the Jacquard airbrush medium, which needed some gel in it to thicken it up. I had gel in the gold, but not as much as what I had in the copper. And with throwing it on the canvas like I did, it sunk down into the base coat, which pushed the black pour over on top of it, which formed those beautiful gems. What a surprise. Oh, thank you very much for coming and watching right to the end. I hope you enjoyed this and you give it a go. I'll see you all again next time. Bye for now.